Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So let's get started. To contrast, so this is actually a very useful feature even though it might not seem like it on the surface, and it will help you instantly with those giant spreadsheets with a ton of colors that are really hard to read. So it's actually recently introduced a feature where it's actually smart enough to tell you what color types are the best given whatever color the background is at that time. For example, let's do this first with nothing. If I click on the text color icon here and then I select the high contrast tab, you'll see that colors drop down to only certain colors, and those ones are the best colors on a white background. The cool thing about this feature is that if we change the background to blue, for example just choose a blue here and then below it I change one to red and I change this one to yellow. Now if we go back to the text and we go back to the color palette, we click on high contrast, all of a sudden the colors are a lot different than they were before, and that's because it is smart enough to detect, okay, there's blue in the background there, so you probably need a pretty dark color to make it legible. Whereas if you look at red in the background, now we click on high contrast only, black is probably your best bet there. If we click on yellow, you've got a whole swath of colors that are actually quite legible because obviously they have lighter color. Really cool feature will help you a lot with your big complex spreadsheets, making it easily readable. That's all for today, so thank you for watching the video. If you think this video is helpful, please like, comment and share. Till then, have a great day.